Investors aim to invest money in the best plan to get maximum returns with minimum risk involved in it. An ideal environment is important for earning the utmost money in rock-bottom investment. Not every type of investment suits the requirements of investors. Therefore, an in-detail study of investment plans is essential for choosing the best and most convenient one. Hello and welcome back to the informative video of Business Apac. In this video, you will explore the 5 finest types of investments in India. Stocks or direct equity. Stock markets provide new avenues for wealth creation for a long duration. You can have a regular source of income in the form of dividends through direct equities. You can receive gains from capital increments as well with greater rewards in the future. If investors buy stocks for a longer term, they can even become a part of the ownership of that company. Initial public offerings, IPO. Initial public offering comes into the picture when a new company invites the public to buy its shares before it is listed on exchanges. It could be a long-term investment with a minimum risk. The amount of profit earned by investors depends upon the trust value of that company in the market. You can earn money through IPO with the help of stock market alternatives available in it. The company does not charge interest to investors and there is no need to repay the capital amount. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are one of the ideal types of investment in India. It is a market-linked investment alternative for the majority population. You can invest money in various financial instruments such as equity, debt, stocks, etc. An investor gets returns as per the market performance of the fund. Gold. Gold has traditionally been one of the most popular and prioritized types of investment in India. You can use gold as a hedge to protect your portfolio against risks in the market. It is a relatively liquid asset that can offer inflation-beating returns. It comes in different forms like biscuits, coins, bars, etc. Bank fixed deposits, FD. Fixed deposits in banks are known as a fixed-pay venture choice as well. They offer fixed returns after the tenure of investment. Various banks offer different tenures for investments in fixed deposits. It can be from a minimum of 7 days to a maximum of 10 years. Banks pay profits to investors monthly or quarterly, according to their rules. The investment could be a tricky business for newcomers because of a lack of awareness and complications involved in it. We hope you found our video helpful in deciding the types of investment in India. Thank you for watching it till the end. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like the video.